caught a cough. Yeah, I'm sick. It's been a while though. It's been a while. So let's make a map maker. Yeah. Alright, let's do hot zone. Alright, we should start off with not using that one. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Okay. Put that there. Okay. Put there. Okay, this one. We can do some of this. Yeah, that can work. Okay. Okay, wait. You got something. We can do this. Boom. Boom. Wait. Yeah, there we go. Hold on, I need to remove these. All right. That's a good idea. Yeah. Let's put some protection. Diagonally. Let's put some down here. Let's do here. Wait. Oh my god, okay. Remove. Okay, wait, this can work. Let's get some water here. There we go. And I think it's done. All right. Let's do some play testing. Oh my god. Alright, okay, I'm gonna go up here. Surprise! Okay, alright, okay. We should gadget. Boom! Yeah! That's still damage, right? Come on! Alright, we're now going up. Go! Alright, no, okay. On up. Oh no, go, get back. No! Oh, come on! Go. Dash. Go! Oh, there's an Ash here. Get out, okay. So we can go up here. Alright, he's aiming. They're aiming for me. Oh no. Go! Go, come on. Yes! Go. No. Okay. No. Okay. No. Get up. No. Dash! I should really start using the hypercharge. Now, go. Now, go. Get this. Yes. Come on. All right. It's fine. It's not fine. God dang it. I think there needs to be a little tweaking. Alright. What should we do? What should we do? What should we do? What do? Boom. Let's maybe you need to work your way to the other side. Yeah. Work your way to the other side. Okay, wait. Boom. Boom. And what about they're gonna have to go through. They're gonna okay, hear me out. They're gonna have to go to the jump pad to perform a faster rush. I think we just need to adjust the placement. Cannot have closed areas. Alright, fine. There. Gap between. Okay, fine. Fine, I guess. I guess that's fair. Alright, okay. Dash. Go. Go. Alright, okay, that was a little dumb. Oh, bad. Oh, no, running away. Running. Okay, go. Go, get away. I already used so much of my
bling bling.
My gadgets. Go! Yeah! Dash! Go! We just need to jump. Get that out. Go! Up! Bro, what are these bots? Do they not see me? We spin! Wow! Man, what are these bots? Yeah, I think Hot Zone is good. Now for let's do bounty. Dot. Alright. Oh, come on. Dot. Okay, alright, okay. Let's move it. Okay, so we're gonna have to move like this. Okay, so now we get some grass. We get some hiding places there. Let's get some water. We're getting some water. We'll get some of these gates, these fences. Let's do here. Boom. Here. Guess we can do some of these. Yeah, we should remove some of that. Right, that should be good. Oh my god. Oh my god, this sickness, oh my god. That. Yoink! Ah, fine. Why did I do that? Go. Dash. Right, and now. Go. God dang. Alright, the problem is, okay, I think I know the problem. So, okay, so it's just this that is too much. So let's do some of this. Actually, this is quite a convenient place to put some grass. And let's do some of that. Yeah, that seems a little better. Why do I keep coughing on the title screen? Why does that? Why? Oh my God. Okay. Go. No. All right. No, get out! Whoa! Alright, let's try again.
Let's go!
Alright, go up. Okay, go. Go! Yeah. Okay. Alright, we won. I guess that's what I have for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And let's see you next time.